Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sylvia, and remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. So for this particular video, I'm gonna be creating an animated video that I created on Procreate, and I decided to share because that's what I do on my channel. I share my recording of my work, and I'm just trying to get into 2D animation on Procreate because do I illustrate? Yes, I illustrate. Do I animate? No, but have I done it before? Yes, because I used to do 3D, and I don't know. I figured why not? 3D, 2D. How hard can it be? So what you're watching is what I'm doing, just the first animated work I ever did on Procreate, and I just want to have fun with it and just enjoy the process. Watch the process of the recording. It's a very simple art. You'll see the animated piece at the end. I remember there was a time I wanted to do what do you call it, kinetic typography, stuff like motion graphics. So yeah, enjoy the art, and remember to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll cue the music. So this is how the video looks like if I play it out quickly and then I slowed it down. And remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. And thank you for watching. Bye.